right, last bid of the day. It was a 4 o'clock bid, didn't take very long, 37 minutes. It was the fourth bid today. Want to explain a little bit the difference between King Piers and everybody else. The King Pier system of raising a footing that has failed, sunk back to its correct level elevation. The King Pier system, it's a non-invasive procedure. We expose the footing, but we don't break any parts of the footing off as other systems do. We call that invasive. We don't want to be invasive to the footings. They're all built to the standard minimum. So the last thing I want to do is break any part of the footing off. Our King Pier system, though, we have 5 piers, the King Pier 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And people love our piering system. We do not go to bedrock. My methodology is this: if they would have built your footing instead of 2 foot by 8 inches thick and built it 4 foot wide, 3 foot thick, there would be no settlement issues anywhere. So that's kind of how it is in a simple way of thinking about it. So if your house is sinking or if your walls are leaning inward or outward, before you sign a contract with somebody, you need to get a hold of King Piers and give us a call at 816-288-4373. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. You need to give us a call because we don't get paid to make you think we're going to fix your foundation, but really we're destroying it. Give us a call. Be smart, because this industry, this foundation repair industry, it's pretty shady in my opinion. A lot of times I see some work that people paid outrageous amounts of money and it's horrible. So you got to be real careful. Also, another tip I can give people: before you hire anybody to work on your home, go to the bbb.org. The bbb.org is where you can complain about something done on your home with a contractor. And so though you can leave a negative mark, it's not something you would go write a good review. You wouldn't go to the BBB to write a good review on somebody. It would be to complain. So if you check out the BBB and King Piers, where our page is blank, it's blank because we do our work engineering, sound engineering, proper engineering. So anyway, stay tuned to more videos. I've got to give a plug out to my son, Matt. The kid is just doing great things for King Piers. And he's a huge reason why we have become the very top rated foundation repair company here in Kansas City. So thumbs up to Matt King, man. You're really you're doing a great job. So stay tuned, folks. Appreciate you listening to our watching our videos. They can be boring sometimes and pretty repetitious. We say the same things basically in a lot of the videos. We try to change it up, keep it more interesting. But I tell you, we really need subscribers to our YouTube channel. So if you happen to get on and see our videos, it's generally on YouTube. You might give us a subscribe and then click the little bell so you can get updates of our videos. So that's about it. It's Thursday, close to 5 o'clock. I'm done for the day. King Piers out.